Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a pack with me for Ocean City, Maryland. I'm going with my boyfriend and his family. However, it's kind of going to be like a secluded couples trip for us, which I am so excited for multiple reasons. Number one, we are driving separate because his parents are leaving at a different time than us, so we're going to be down there a little bit longer and earlier. And number two, we're staying at our own place, which this is the first time ever that we're staying in our own hotel together. With that being said, I'm gonna go get my bags and I'm gonna pack with you guys. So I'm gonna jump on here with my cat, which you guys unfortunately never ever get to see anymore because I have a new setup now. So she's not in my backgrounds, but I promise she's still always here where she always is. So here's my super organized pack with me list, and I am going to do all of my toiletries first, so my toothbrush, toothpaste, all those types of things. I didn't need to get like travel size bottles because I'm not going to be flying, so they don't need to be like TSA compliant, but I did want to make it a little bit more organized, and I didn't want to bring like some big bottles, so I got these from Five Below. They were $1 and they're like kind of like a squishy soft material. So here is my body wash, and then I also have these two L'Oreal hair products, shampoo and conditioner. These are not my regular ones I use in the shower, but I have these as extras for if I travel or to use whenever I get out of the chlorined pool, so my hair doesn't turn green since it's bleach blonde. This is for rebalancing, so I'm gonna fill all three of these into this. Okay, so that is all of these complete. I am gonna label them later. Darian's bringing the toothpaste and mouthwash, and then I also have my toothbrush and then a holder as well. This was like a matching one with like all those white bottles that I got from Five Below for $1 as well. And I always like to get a new toothbrush whenever I go on vacation instead of like putting mine in one of these or putting a cap on mine. I don't know, I just think that's really gross. Like, this is $1. So we got that all ready to go in there. I'm gonna be packing my Garnier Detangler spray. I got this not too long ago, and as you can tell, it's like half empty already. I use this every time I get out of the shower. It smells amazing. It's like literally the definition of a fresh, clean scent. Here's my deodorant and perfume that I'm packing. And then for makeup, I like to go very natural and simple on vacation. I just have some brow products and then my go-to mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic. I've been using it every day. It's what I'm wearing right now. I also want to bring a pair of lashes just in case we go somewhere nice. I'm bringing these in the style Watermelon Sugar, and they're the brand Ioni. I'm not really sure, but they are from the dollar store and they are amazing. Let me just show you my collection. Hold on. Literally, you guys, look, like I am obsessed. Okay, I have hair ties. I'm not going to bring any hair clips, and then my brush. The last thing for toiletries is sunscreen and aloe. And here are those products, so I'm not going to pack them all. So I have this really cute Victoria's Secret makeup bag. It's almost like a briefcase looking thing, and it hangs up in the shower, so it turns into like a shower caddy on vacation, which is super handy for travel. I'm going to put my after shower products in the first one, so my deodorant, perfume, sunscreen. Okay, and then in here I'm gonna put my makeup. I'm gonna bring a moisturizer that has SPF in it, and then also this hydrating peel off mask. This is one of my go-tos for whenever I go on vacation or travel, not only because it's called Seaside Glow, so it fits the whole vibe, but it's just really easy to like peel off. You don't gotta wash it off or anything, and it feels amazing. So here is all of that. Uh-oh, we have a problem. This right here will not bend to close. Okay, I have to put these in when I actually get there and like once I like hang it up to shower, but for the packing I'm gonna like put them in one of the zippers just so I can close the bag. So I started to put my makeup down here, and then I realized that I'm gonna want to hang this like in the shower, so I'm probably not gonna be doing my makeup in the bathroom, so I'm gonna put all my makeup in this bag instead. It all fits perfect and way better anyways. Okay, so we got our toiletries as well as makeup. I gathered my outfits after at least 30 minutes. So I have my outfits, and I really wanted to like think outside of the box with my outfits for this trip. Usually when I go on vacation, I have like my staple outfits and pieces that I know look good together, and I always just wear the same things on vacation. So here they are. For the beach, I like to wear light, bright, and airy colors. So lots of these are either pink, white, or nude colors. But first is just this light pink lace-up bodycon dress from Forever 21. I love this, and this can look super cute for either just the beach or to wear to a nice restaurant. Like, it can go both ways, which I really love. We're down there for 4 nights, so I need at least 4 outfits. I'm packing this pink velvet tube top that has like shiny glittery stars on it. It laces up in the back, and this is from Shein. These are from Hollister, just some basic white shorts. I have this light pink crop top that I'm pairing with these light gray like cargo shorts, which I think these are really cute, but I don't know how I'm gonna feel about them like when I'm actually down there on the beach, you know. If I want to be a little bit more stylish, I am packing these capri jeans in case if it is cold or windy one day. So this is kind of just an extra. This isn't paired with an outfit, but like I said, if I don't really like these shorts or anything else that I'm bringing, I do have like extra things depending on the weather. Another extra top that I'm bringing that I'm not really pairing with an outfit, but again, I can wear it with a different pair of bottoms if I wanted, is this light pink tank top that has like glittery shiny logo on the front. This is one of my favorite tank tops. It is adorable, but I am going to use it as like a beach cover up. I have this super adorable white crop top that's like a really trendy style right now. It's from Aeropostale, and I've actually never ever worn this. Like I just bought it. It's like basically brand new. And I have that with some denim shorts from American Eagle, just some plain ripped jeans. Nude skirt. It looks like a really cute like mini skirt, but it's actually shorts. I have that paired with this white tank top, which is actually a bodysuit. You guys, this color palette in here is everything. It's all like pink and nude. I'm bringing some plain white flip-flops. These are from Forever 21. I'd honestly love to bust these nude heels out for like a really nice dressy moment, but I feel like I'm just not gonna. We'll do it. We're gonna go to a nice restaurant. Last but definitely not least, basically the most important thing in this whole video are swimsuits. That's probably what I'm gonna be in most of the time down there, so I gotta make sure they're stylish and on point. All of my suits that I own are from Cupshe. Like I don't own anything else, so if you like any of the suits in this video, they are from Cupshe. I actually want to bring you guys down here with me to like pick out my suits. I have a whole swimsuit drawer. So yeah, in this bin are all of my swim tops, and then this bin are all of my swim bottoms. For bottoms, I'm gonna bring this plain white pair. This can go with anything. They have ruffles on the side. Oh, I definitely gotta bust out the hot pink cheetah ones eventually. These are such like Hawaiian vibes. Like I'm going to Aruba and this is what I'm wearing. I don't think I'm gonna pack these for this trip because I'm kind of going with my boyfriend's parents, but she'll shine someday. What is for sure though is this tanning top. This is adorable, shiny, sparkly on the front. This one is the only exception and the only piece in my swim collection that is not from Cupshe. This is from Target. I lied. I have two pieces that aren't from Cupshe, but this one, oh, I really wish I could. I just wish I could. It's like literally rhinestone diamonds. This plain pink one is really cute, like very family vacation friendly. I'm also going to bring the plain pink matching bottoms. These have a bit more coverage, so I would rather have a lot more suits than outfits, just because one of my biggest vacation pet peeves is when I go to the beach and I get like my suit wet and then I go to my hotel, shower, get all clean, and then if we go like back to the beach, I don't want to put on like the same wet suit. So yeah, I can't with that. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna bring this bling one just because it's a little bit too glamorous not to. I'm also going to bring this plain black top. It's like kind of a low cut V. Last suit I'm going to bring is this like matching snakeskin. I lied. I'm bringing another suit just in case. I'm not trying to run into that like whole situation. So I'm bringing this black and white striped top with these high leg black bottoms. You guys, I'm stuck between this top right now and this top. They're the same type of like print but different styles. Like this one is button up with a bow and this one's just kind of plain. Okay, this top, it is. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below what your favorite vacation spot is that you've been to so far. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.